Welcome to Studio X English Podcast. I am Lina. I am very happy you are here today.
And I am Eric. It feels great to practice English together.
Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English practice.
Your support really helps us. It helps this podcast grow.
Today, we have a very important topic. A small word, but a powerful word.
Oh, really? That sounds interesting already.
Yes. Today, we talk about the word take.
Wow. I hear this word everywhere.
Exactly. People use take many times every day.
I see. That can feel confusing for learners.
You are right. Many learners feel nervous about this word.
Because it has many meanings, right?
Yes, but do not worry at all.
That sounds good. I like when learning feels easy.
We will go slowly, one idea at a time.
That feels safe. My brain likes slow learning.
You do not need to remember everything today. Just listen and relax.
I like that. No pressure helps a lot.
The word take is very common in English. You hear it at home and outside.
At work, on the bus, even in shops.
Yes. For example, people say, take a bus.
Or take time. I hear that often.
Exactly. These are normal daily sentences.
But sometimes learners translate in their head.
That is true, and that can slow you down.
I understand. My brain feels tired when translating.
That is why we practice naturally here, like friends talking.
That sounds great. Learning should feel friendly.
Today is just the beginning. We build understanding step by step.
Small steps feel comfortable and more confident.
So stay calm with us and enjoy this conversation.
Yes, we are learning together.
Now we move into daily life. The small actions we do every day.
Yes, this is where the word take appears a lot.
Many learners hear this word often, but they feel confused.
I understand that feeling. The word sounds simple, but it changes meaning.
Let's start very gently, with actions you already know.
Okay, that sounds comfortable.
Think about your morning. You wake up, you get ready.
Yes, my morning is always busy.
You can say, I take a shower.
Oh, we say take, not do.
Exactly. I take a shower every morning.
That sentence feels natural.
After that, you eat breakfast. Maybe you drink coffee.
Yes, I drink coffee every day.
You can say, I take sugar in my coffee.
So take means add here.
Yes, you add something.
That makes sense.
Now think about leaving home. You go to work or school.
I usually use the bus.
Then you say, I take the bus to work.
Not ride the bus, not use the bus.
Right. In English, we say, take the bus.
That is very useful.
Sometimes you are in a hurry. You check the time.
Yes, I do that a lot.
You can say, it takes 10 minutes.
So take is about time now.
Exactly. Time needed for something.
I like that explanation. Very clear.
During the day, you make choices. Food, drinks.
Like in a cafe.
Yes. You say, I'll take a coffee, please.
So take means choose.
Perfect. Choose, add, use transport, talk about time.
One word, many simple uses.
That's why take is important. It appears in real-life English.
And it feels less scary now.
Good. That is the goal. As the day continues, time becomes important.
Yes, we often talk about time in English.
And the word take appears again.
I hear this one a lot.
Think about getting ready in the morning, brushing teeth, getting dressed.
Some mornings feel very slow.
You can say, it takes 10 minutes.
That means 10 minutes are needed.
Exactly. Time needed for an action.
So take is not about holding something.
Right. Here it is about time.
That feels clearer now.
You can also say, it takes a long time.
Like learning English.
Yes, learning English takes time.
That sentence feels very real.
Some things are quick, some things are slow.
Cooking dinner takes time for me.
Good example. You can say, cooking dinner takes 30 minutes.
Simple and useful.
Now think about your daily routine, work, study.
I study English in the evening.
You can say, it takes 1 hour.
So I can say, it takes 1 hour to study.
Perfect.
That sounds natural.
Sometimes plans change, things become slow.
Like traffic.
Yes, the trip takes longer today.
I hear that often.
You can also ask questions. How long does it take?
That is a very useful question.
You can ask it at work, at school, anywhere.
People understand immediately.
Because time is important for everyone.
True, we all care about time.
So remember this idea. Take plus time means time is needed.
That feels easy now.
Good. Understanding grows step by step.
And English feels calmer.
Daily life moves fast. We go out. We travel.
And again, the word take appears.
Think about transportation.
Buses and trains.
We say, I take the bus.
Not drive, not walk.
Yes, I take the train to work.
That means I use it.
Exactly. Take shows the method.
What about taxis?
Same idea. I take a taxi.
Simple and clear.
Now think about travel, visiting a new place.
I take a trip once a year.
Good sentence. A trip can be short or long.
English feels natural here.
Now imagine a phone in your hand.
Ah, photos.
Yes, I take a photo.
Not make a photo.
Correct. English uses take.
I take pictures when I travel.
Very natural.
What about videos?
Same rule. I take a video.
Easy to remember.
Now think about health. Doctor visits.
Medicine.
Yes, I take medicine.
Or I take vitamins.
Both are correct.
So take means consume here.
Exactly. Put something into your body.
What about food?
In a cafe, I'll take the soup.
That means I choose it.
Yes, very polite English.
So take changes meaning.
But the feeling stays the same.
It connects actions to people.
Travel, photos, health.
One small word.
Many real situations.
That makes English feel alive.
Exactly. Not a textbook word.
A daily life word.
And you hear it everywhere.
On the street, at the doctor, on your phone.
Little by little, it becomes familiar.
And confidence grows.
English has many fixed phrases.
Phrases people use without thinking.
The word take appears again.
Every single day.
Think about rest.
Being tired.
I take a break.
That means stop for a short time.
Work pauses. Mind relaxes.
Very useful at work.
Another common one.
Walking.
I take a walk.
Not exercise only.
Sometimes calm thinking.
Fresh air helps.
Now sleep.
Short sleep.
I take a nap.
Very common in daily English.
Now attention.
Looking at something.
Take a look.
Simple and polite.
used at shops, used at work.
Natural English.
Now care.
Important word.
Take care.
Used when leaving.
Also used for health.
Take care of yourself.
Kind and warm.
People feel supported.
Now time.
No rush.
Take your time.
Very polite phrase.
Used in shops, used with friends.
Pressure disappears.
Now responsibility.
Serious situation.
I take responsibility.
That shows maturity.
Now emotions.
Important for communication.
Don't take it personally.
That helps avoid conflict.
English becomes softer.
And clearer.
These phrases are not random.
They belong together.
You do not translate them.
You feel them.
One phrase at a time.
Confidence grows slowly.
And English starts to flow. We heard the word take many times.
In daily situations.
Not as a grammar rule.
As real English.
First meaning.
Movement.
I take the bus.
You move from one place to another.
Second meaning.
Time.
It takes 10 minutes.
Time is needed.
Third meaning.
Choice.
I take the soup.
You choose something.
Fourth meaning.
Photos and videos.
I take a photo.
Very common English.
Now, health.
Important daily use.
I take medicine.
Clear and natural.
Now, rest.
Everyone needs it.
I take a break.
Work stops for a moment.
Now, walking.
Simple activity.
I take a walk.
Mind feels lighter.
Now, care.
Warm English.
I take care.
Used when leaving.
Now, patience.
No pressure.
I take your time.
Very polite phrase.
Now, emotions.
Important for peace.
I don't take it personally.
Arguments become softer.
These phrases repeat in life.
Not in lists.
You hear them.
You start using them.
English grows naturally.
Slow but strong.
You do not need all meanings today.
One phrase is enough.
Use it in real life.
That builds confidence.
Now, one small question.
Only one.
What do you take every day?
A bus. A break. Coffee.
Write one simple sentence.
Short is perfect.
English is practice.
Not pressure.
Thank you for staying with us.
Your effort matters.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
And take care.